good to meet you.
Shirley, it is a pleasure to meet you.
Yep.
I'm so glad you're here.
Well, I'm excited to meet the machinery maven.
Well, I appreciate you taking time. I know you're very busy, but I'm really delighted to be able to show you Gates Machine Tool Repair and what we do.
Well, let's do it.
Let's do it. So this is the table and the spindle and everything that goes to the 100-inch king. So we had to have that machine over a pit because that spindle goes down beyond the surface of the floor. This is the pit. So that machine sat on top of the pit. You could go down the stairs, go under where the spindle was. Really interesting. We have amassed tons of lathes. We have people that give us machines. We have acquired machines through auctions. We've acquired machines through trades and things of that nature. So we have amassed a lot of inventory. And something to note is several years ago, we acquired the Axelson parts line. Axelson replacement parts line, should I say. And when we did, we also acquired about 25 to 30 Axelson lathes, varying in size from a 14-inch swing to a 32-inch swing. It's an art form.
That's what I found about the people that work on these machines too, or even like welders. You know, it's a whole different group of people that are passionate about their work, you know, and so it's an art, and we couldn't do it without these machines too.
No, we couldn't. You know, I just try to embrace and elevate those who are still interested in this craft. This area here is just one of our little machine shops. So again, this is all equipment that we utilize in our operation. Isn't it amazing? This facility started in the back of David Gates' truck.
I know. I mean, it is. It really is. The things that people could come up with, you know, and I guess they had a little more time to think. You know, we're running kind of crazy these days. I just think, who come up with building this machine? You know, like that too is remarkable.
This is our intake building for all of our customer projects. Now you will see machines that we have available for sale, like the American Hole Wizard. We're working on that radial alarm drill. That is a piece of our equipment that we have for sale. You'll see some customer projects too. Now this Axelson is one that we have rebuilt. I mean, that is like a brand new machine, and look how beautiful the laywork is on that. We have made this machine mechanically sound, and it's actually ready to roll. So
when you said they're intaking something, what are they bringing you?
So, for instance, we have this Mazak here. So this machine came in for weightwork, mechanical rebuild, a whole 9 yards. So this is a machine from a customer facility in Louisiana. And interestingly, we even get machines that come in from California.
So they're bringing them back in here. They're not running up to par, if you will,
Right.
and you're either machining things that you might need to, or not, like cleaning them up and
We're cleaning them
okay.
up, we're running them off, and we are assessing the machine.
Okay.
So we're taking a look at the ways we can do a full, complete rebuild. This is one that we actually have for sale as well. And Brian, who I refer to as our resident guru, He has done a complete overhaul on this machine. We look at screws, we look at nuts, we tear the whole thing apart because we are nothing if not quality.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this machine is from a customer. This is a Warner and Swayze 5A. This is a turret lathe. You see, we've got it stripped down a bit, so the aprons are off of the machine. This is a machine that has come in from a customer in California, and what we are doing to this right now, we have been evaluating it all around so that we can provide a thorough itemized quotation to the customer, discuss with the customer what their concerns are with the machine, what they would like to see happen, and all of us come together on the same page so that we're presenting them with a rebuild that works for their operation.
Okay, so you said they don't have the apron on. What part is the apron? So this is...
You got the apron and the saddle and cross slide.
Okay.
Yep.
See, I'm learning.
And this is the headstock.
Okay.
And this is the tailstock. Thread mill, so we can make screws.
You can make screws with that machine. So you put in a piece of metal and then it'll actually do the machining.
Our threading machines, or thread mills as they're called, you can actually set them up and they're the best employed because they work. You don't have to babysit them, and yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Is this some of the stuff to make the screws with?
Yeah.
All right, look at me. I'm fascinated with the history of all of this equipment too, right? Like, where was some of these? Where did they, come from? That's just cool.
Well, and that's something about these machines. You've got these machines that have been around since the war,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm talking about the World War.
Yeah.
And so they have that kind of age, and that's what I was saying. It is incredible to me the stories that they could tell, that they could talk.
Yes.
Now I love talking about Giddings and Lewis.
Okay.
They have been in business for decades, and this machine, this is our Giddings and Lewis planer mill. So this machine was actually utilized by Giddings and Lewis in their facility to make the Giddings and Lewis machines.
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
I told you got to have a machine to make a machine.
We love the stories. We love the stories. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. I think that this blue or whatever, the green, it does kind of remind you of old times, like the war movies and different things that you've seen.
Yeah, it really does.
I appreciate that with women who worked during the war in some of the factories too. So just really cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
There's some really cool. I loved, I saw the different signs. Yeah.
Here's an interesting little tidbit. So this piece is called a turret. And you may see on a vertical, you may see a turret and a ram, or just a turret, or just a ram, or two rams. But that just to talking jargon, so this would be considered a turret. You've got a side head.
Well, I love it. I feel like I learned a bunch, and the facility is amazing.
Thank you.
And to think this just came up with the idea in somebody's garage.